Hey everyone, if you get that annoying pain around or behind your kneecap when going upstairs, squatting, running, or even just sitting for too long, you might be dealing with patellofemoral pain, also known as runner's knee. It is super common, but there are still a lot of myths out there about what causes it and how to fix it. Today, I am breaking down 7 of the biggest ones based on the latest research. My kneecap is tracking incorrectly. This one has been around forever. Patellofemoral pain is way more complex than a just kneecap that is not tracking perfectly or a weak VMO. We really need to look at the whole lower limb, your quad strength, hip strength, how you move, and how much load your knee can handle. Tape puts the kneecap back into place. Taping can definitely help reduce pain, so you can move and exercise more comfortably. But it doesn't magically lock your kneecap into a new position forever. I still use it sometimes, but only as a helpful tool. Real lasting change actually comes from doing exercises. You only need to strengthen your quads or only your hips. It is not an either-or situation. Best practice is strengthening both your hips and knees, but we match it to how you're feeling. If deep knee bends are really painful right now, start with hip work and build up gradually from there. Just don't push through the flare-up. Not always the best idea. When your knee is flared up, it is smarter to ease off and pick up exercises that don't irritate it too much. Once things calm down, you can gradually add more load again. Reduce pain first, then build capacity. Foot posture doesn't matter, and orthotics never work. The truth is, both extremes are wrong. Flat feet don't automatically cause knee pain, but in some people, foot mechanics can increase stress on the kneecap. Prefabricated orthotics aren't for everyone, but they are an easy, low-risk option to try. A simple test is to wear them and see if squatting feels better. If it does, they may be worth using. Research shows that they can provide significant pain relief for some people with patellofemoral pain. Your calf muscle have nothing to do with knee pain. Actually, they can play a big role. If your ankles are tight, it can increase stress on your kneecap during stairs, squats, and running. Working on calf flexibility and strength often helps take some pressure off of the knee. Massage will fix patellofemoral pain. Massage and hands-on treatment can feel great and reduce pain in the short term, but they work best as a support, not as a main fix. Combine them with good exercises and education for better results. The take-home message is, modern rehab isn't about perfectly fixing your kneecap alignment. It's about understanding your symptoms, getting your whole leg working better, and slowly build up what your knee can handle. That's exactly what the latest evidence supports. Which of these myths surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know if this was helpful. Give it a like and subscribe for more evidence-based physio tips. Thank you for watching.